welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Dwayne. And now Dwayne is playing a tape with Lady B and also with Flawless Rain. Now, what's happening here is that Dwayne is saying that we should glorify education because education is the key to success, basically. And they're talking about this topic, fully Dunce, you know, that has been circulating around social media for, you know, a bit of time now. So, you know, they're really promoting education and the educated. So go ahead and watch the video and see what they have to say about this. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. Thank you and have a wonderful morning.
To me, so I did what I did. I just use the words to make a reel. No harm, no bad feeling, no like that intended. We just use the reel, just like the company like tonight. I'm here to we go take us to sit them down and make some reel. You understand me? So I did.
So you where you know really? Where you know really? Everything I make real out of where you know really?
Anything real, I just make a reel. Since because them a cost me about my back stroke, I know me on the first back.
Anybody who want to call in can call in and make we talk. Somebody, well, me never send enough tag Flawless Rain. Because Flawless Rain says she in the chat, she comment right here. So, yes. No long me see a tag her, but she's already here. Sona Pink, me see it. Madora, what's up? Listen to me now. Me tired. Me sick, I'm tired. Me sick, I'm tired of this Dunce talk. Like it's a universal language. Like me a talk flawless and a rush me car when you do over feel sitting and chat me name. Come on, they can tell us how you for talk or at what tempo you for talk. Me a talk. Not tell me if you talk fast and hurry up. Me a talk. And you know how to run my platform. Flawless Rain. Me love you in a real life and I've always respected you and I feel nothing but a sisterly love towards you, Flawless. But me I'm gonna be real and me I'm gonna be frank and me I'm gonna be honest. I want to call in, I want to cuss out some people too. But, well, who want call? Cause me not bar no hole. Cause when people are cuss me, other people no bar hole, so me stop protecting people. Out here, me's a one-man band. But anyway, well, you know, say, I always show respect to Flawless. Because I really, 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 really love Flawless. The bleach out body, me name no say bleach, but since you say it look good, then the bleach out body look good. Alicia, what's up? I respect Flawless. Everybody know that. I have a lot of respect for Flawless Rain. More than many of you may recognize or understand.
Go down on that, girl. Go down on that. Go down on that. Go down on that Dunce talk.
Everybody knows a chit chat is a baby sister to me. Saddam, what's up? What's going on with the cursing? So, Flawless, me know where you laugh for. Kind of funny. So, tonight I was watching a video for Flawless Rain, right? And I take it so personal, Flawless, you didn't imagine how personal I take this thing. I swear. Because everybody know with this Dunce argument, like Dunce is a thing. Since when Dunce is a thing? Since when being Dunce is something to glorify? Since when being Dunce is something that you must sell? Since when being Dunce is something that you must encourage your other brothers and sisters
your
to
peers.
Saddam, you have an accountant, you have a bookkeeper, you have a cashier, you have this, you have that, you have that. I'm sure, because I know you and I know your parents and your bloodline. You know, highly educated. See my eyes on me, I swear to go see your brother. Right, Saddam? You don't want anybody calling up on my phone now. Listen. Hold on, caller. Caller, give me a minute. I'm making a point and then I'll let you through, caller. Give me a minute. No, listen to me. Me no care what Valiant say. Valiant is an entertainer, he's an artist, and he's singing. He sing any number of foolishness. Just like when Tanya say, Bim and Benz and Browning and Blackening and this and that and all kind of foolishness scamming and chopping, me hear it. You see, one thing for me that don't work for me is this line of Dunce argument. I consider Flawless to be this woman that I really appreciated, respected, and love. I love Flawless. I mean, I've grown the thing. I respect her. Is a girl who make me laugh all the time. I mean, I have a cool vibe on social media. Just come, you know, page support. So when me watch this stuff for Flawless now, and me say Flawless are glorified Dunce people. Me I say, what is this about Dunce and Dunce and Dunce and Dunce? Because everybody out of social media beat me for education. Me have degrees. Chit Chat is in college with degrees. Michelle Ladana have degrees. So what is wrong with you people that always are come with this Dunce argument, like to be Dunce is a thing?
And darling, I have my qualifications too. I just don't talk about them, nor do I choose to brag about them. Education is a key to everything we do in life. Everything. Everything. We're done, Sako.
If you have education, if you have a couple degree, you know where I can make a lot of money too. So when make people make you feel like the only way you can get out of the gate is by being done. Since when dunceness and uneducated was a key to anything? Why you think mothers press so hard to have their children go to college and higher education? You have tier 1 primary, tier 2 secondary, tier 3 tertiary, which is college and university. How we get lawyers, how we get doctors, how we get scientists, how we get pilots, how we get top chefs. Listen to me, man. Me tired of the Dunce.
Me tired too. But Dunce, we done Sago. Good for ya.
Good night.
I'm the face when I see a Dunce back.
Now you'll hear Flawless Rain enter the conversation, and you'll also hear Lady V and Dwayne, you know, say that they're tired of this fully Dunce thing. So go ahead and continue to watch and leave your comments in the comment section to say exactly how you feel about this situation. Thank you.
Well,
Good night.
yeah, Dunce back. We're on the face.
Good night.
Why you put the on your life? When you see the face the way you have up, boy, you change it.
Flawless, let me tell you something, right? You're not gonna come over here and tell me
You
what
could have
face
been
I'm
amateur God come.
You're deaf
I
on
don't
live and
care.
everybody can hear you.
Fully Dunce and the face, them fully Dunce.
You see the face the way you have up, boy, you change it.
Flawless, you're not gonna tell me how to feel because I am an educated woman. I have a couple degrees.
And I'm an
this has been used to
educated
be-
man.
I'm coming from you of all
Like
persons,
up the
Flawless.
video.
I feel a great sense of disappointment because me know you to be a family person. It's what?
You see how she's trying to play it off. Listen, Lady V was serious as a judge. She was serious as frig actually. Flawless called it because she wanted to quell the situation. Flawless being done is not a good thing. Lady, go and educate yourself, alright? And I say this with no disrespect or no ill will. I just want all of you to be educated, including you, and if you see fully Dunce, and if it's got educate yourself.
Hold on. Guys, the person on the phone is Flawless Rain, right? The same person I'm more for address. Because she missed do some reel or something, never video or reel. I see something from her because I follow her and somebody who say I love her, I respect. And me hear she talk about Dunce people and Dunce this and Dunce that. I'm feel some type of way. I mean, nah, shade nobody in 2020.
Stop. When you stop funny, it is very funny. Coming from Lady V, it is very funny.
It's not funny. It's not funny.
It is very funny. I don't know why you're taking this thing so freaking serious.
Yeah. Like and share, guys. Like and share.
Your phone is muffled. Try and get a clear line for me, please.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, darling.
Where you really summon me for? Where you summon me for? Let me argue with you now. Where you summon me for?
Okay, Flawless, listen to me and we can talk about this as women because we're grown women, right? And you know we have mutual respect for each other. I've always been hearing this Dunce argument chanted and championed on social media.
Lady V, let's be quite clear. Donna glorifies it too. Donna glorifies being fully Dunce too, and she feel like she's doing a good thing for the younger generation, not realizing she's actually causing hindrance to the younger generation. You should listen. Always glorify education. Education is something we should glorify. Listen, you see me, I could read and write and spell big words from I was in primary school. Education is key. I've never been in a foundation class in my life. Never. It's always fast track or higher. Dunce people go back to school. Wanna dunce like a bat. Someone can put the word to the name pan cake and bun and name it and don't know so even done the damn name tablaws and skirts.
I don't respect
I'm a block you when I'm done angry
right?
face. Watch.
Because